What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, bringing you guys another video. So in today's video, we're super excited about it. We're installing Maz's downpipe.
Let's get it, you know?
On the F30. I'm super excited. You think it's going to be as loud as mine?
No, nothing is as loud as yours. I don't know what you have done to yours, but yours is a little too loud, honestly, dude.
I don't know, bro, but we're super excited. But yeah, let's get right into it.
I'm ready.
Let's go. Installation portion of the video. We have the downpipe installed now. It's pretty loud.
It honestly is.
It's loud, but honestly,
it's like a perfect loud.
It's not even that. I wasn't that surprised, to be honest.
Honestly, me neither. I feel like that muffler delete that I already had prior to the downpipe kind of gave me that step right there, and then that was the second step. So it wasn't that big of a difference.
It wasn't that huge. Like when I installed the downpipe on
that
my
was
car,
a crazy. Oh, I don't know.
Like
what
it was a complete difference in sound. Now, like, I hear a difference. The startup is a little bit louder, but it's nothing like crazy.
Major, yeah.
But yeah, we want to go for a ride, show you guys, like, you know, key differences, comparison. Not really comparison. We don't have any clips of like the old one, but yeah, let's go for a drive. Well, let's go. In sport already?
Oh, yeah,
yes, sir.
It's been warm, bro. Honestly, the BRoll didn't change much. It's like a very slight change, but it's just the upshift that makes it a little bit crazier, like you'll notice.
No, it sounds good.
No, it sounds perfect in my opinion. Anything louder than this would have been too obnoxious.
Yeah.
And even the cold starts, like this morning when I cold started.
Hey, let's get some downshifts, bro. Let's hear some BRoll action. The BRolls are louder, but nothing crazy.
No, not really.
Like, nothing crazy. I thought it was gonna be way louder.
I feel like I just need to get that tune.
You need boot mode or MHD. Yeah. It's pretty loud, bro.
It's like a fun loud.
I feel like the throttle response is better though.
Oh yeah, no, I feel it too. And on this thing, I don't know if I'm tripping, but like the other day it literally hit 320 and I'm not even tuned. So I don't know if that's just...
I mean, you for sure gained like some horsepower, but
I feel like it just freed it up.
With the tune, it's gonna really wake it up.
That's what I'm hoping. Boot mod it is, huh?
Boot mod stage 1 right now? Because you don't really have all this stuff. Oh my god.
Yeah, I think so too, honestly. down the line.
Let's get a couple more purples, bro. Oh man.
The camera's probably not even gonna pick it up, and I'm just gonna laugh. I'm gonna make
we'll see. Wait, why are you going left?
Hey, just change up the route.
Okay, we usually go right on these videos.
I know.
But what else? Like, so boot mode, I think all you need is an intake.
And which I'm probably gonna, I'm not gonna lie, I don't wanna really, I wanna buy an intake, but it's just like, I don't know.
It's expensive.
It is.
Honestly, I think you should get, so for now, get an intake, because you have the downpipe already, and you already have a charge pipe. So you're basically ready for stage 1. So just go stage 1 for now.
That's what I'm thinking also. And then the thing is, I've seen some people where they put, because this is what I did with my E92 back then. It was a 328. I put a K&N slide-in filter, and I feel like it helps more just because these BMW OEM intakes are just so clogged up, and they're just like so many little paper filters and stuff. I feel like the K&N will like kind of free it up a bit.
No, it'll for sure help it. It'll for sure help it.
That's what I'm hoping. And I mean, it's not like $360, $400, $500. It's
like 30 bucks.
Yeah, so I mean, it's budget friendly, okay guys?
Yeah. I mean, I think you should be good if you're just going stage 1.
No, I should be. Yeah. And then maybe once we get that intercooler.
Once you get that intercooler, time for stage 2, right?
That's what I'm hoping.
We'll see. But
yeah. It should stay daily friendly, I hope, right?
It should be.
Okay, that's good. Because this is what this is, you know, a good daily. Let's go into first. Why didn't it go into first?
I don't know, what the heck, that was weird.
You noticed?
Yeah, I saw that. But yeah, I mean, that's well, basically it.
Yeah.
It's nothing crazy. It's just a downpipe.
Brakes.
It's all gas or all brakes, bro.
Either or.
Guys, so we just got to a spot for some B-roll, little neighborhood, but yeah, let's hear some exhaust clips.
Baby revs or what?
Baby revs?
Let's hear it.
Sheesh, it sounds good, bro.
It's like a perfect tone, I think.
No, I actually like it. I like it a lot.
I have to hear it myself sometimes.
No, that sounds super good.
New tips next or what?
Oh, definitely, bro. Look at these.
They're fading.
Horrible.
They used to be carbon. I don't know what happened now.
Yeah, bro. It's a little hot, but yeah, it's pretty faded. Alright, guys. So you guys made it to the end of the video here with Maz. Car sounds super amazing.
Thank you, bro.
And you just need that tune now.
Oh yeah, I know. Definitely soon. Next video, I'm assuming. Let's hope.
Hopefully. We'll see. He says that every time, but yeah, guys, I know I haven't uploaded in a while, and it's my fault. I've been super busy, and then I was planning on uploading in last month, but with the month of Ramadan there, we were fasting, just super tired. I had like literally no energy to go out during the day, but you know, we got more free time now, so hopefully me and Moaz are gonna start pushing these videos
more frequently.
Yes, sir.
Stay tuned, guys.
All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see, and yeah, peace.
See you guys.
Out.